each of you in affirming a commitment that goes beyond our rules and titles. Antimicrobial resistance is not just a scientific challenge, it is a human one, and it affects our farmers, our families, and our future. As part of the Department of Agriculture, Regional Field Office 1, we commit to strengthening our regulatory efforts with integrity, vigilance, and compassion. We will work closely with our partners to ensure responsible use of antimicrobials in agriculture. Kasi nga po, hindi lang po human ang concern natin dito. At the same time, pati rin po yung mga animals natin. And with the agricultural settings, yung paggamit natin ng mga iba-ibang chemicals sa lupain natin. So that affects yung pangkabuhayan din natin.
Very happy to be part of this, welcoming all of you and to be part of this program. And rest assured, I will do what I can in my office and the powers vested in me as the Governor of La Union to spread this campaign of yours, to spread the word that just do not use antibiotics. It's just like drugs, no? Alam mo yung drugs, parang pag sinabi, drugs ka, parang mabigat na, di ba? But actually, it is the abuse, it is the misuse of these drugs that is dangerous.
For the unsung heroes, for the battered soul.
Our pharmacy students, our pharmacists, kayo po ang main actor dito. Okay? Pinag-aaralan nito, and at the same time, hindi lang po head knowledge, you have to also be trained to be champions, advocates. So ngayon, ang pharmacist, hindi na lang po sana taga-dispense lang ng gamot. Ang pharmacists are also advocates. You are the health advocates on the proper use of antibiotics. So we are counting on you, our future pharmacists and our pharmacists. Magtulungan po tayo dito. So together, we will ensure that antibiotics remain effective for future generations. Let us stand united so that AMR does not undo decades of progress in public health. Tapos na po ang ating antimicrobial week. We need to inculcate po sana ang ating team, yung sama-samang magtulungan upang antimicrobial resistance ay mapigilan. Bigyang pansin. Please, bigyang pansin po natin. For sure po, bago ito ang ating One Health approach po. So, tandaan po natin as based sa lecture, yung One Health approach, hindi lamang po tayo. So, sino po nakakaalam nung kanta po ni Joey Ayala? Mga 90s babies, mga 1991 po mga. Yun po, sabi nga po niya doon sa magkaugnay na kanta, ang lupa, ang laot, langit, hayop, halaman at tao po ay magkaugnay. So yun po sana isang aral po nating napulot na ang ating kalusugan hindi lamang po nakadepende sa ating sarili o sa ating pamilya, kundi po kung lahat ng nakapaligid sa atin. Yung environment, yung mga kinakain po natin, yung mga alaga po nating hayop. At kahit saan po tayo pumunta, may epekto po siya sa atin.